Hello everybody, this is Timothy. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about integrating Twitter and Facebook feeds into your broadcast graphics with the Compix Linx Social or Social Brander. Both products use Bannister Lake for providing affordable social moderation services through either the cloud or turnkey solutions. In the first part of this tutorial, let's go over Bannister Lake Flow. This is the main interface that you'll be using to generate playlists that Compix will play out. Within Bannister Lake, you're able to play either Twitter or Facebook. Let's go ahead and focus on Twitter since Facebook is similar. Now after clicking on Twitter, it's going to ask me to create a topic. Let's go ahead and create a topic of the Los Angeles Lakers. After creating the topic, you could search for any hashtag or accounts or any words that your posts might have. Let's go ahead and search for Lakers, and I'll press add. Notice that under my search, it says the required words Lakers. I could also search per location. So I could type in under the location field, Los Angeles, and I could search for 50 miles within. Now, in addition, you could search for positive and negative posts. Just to make it interesting, let me click on only negative and test. Now, all of these Twitter results will have Lakers in the post. They'll be located near Los Angeles, and they'll all be negative. Now, even though they're negative, Bannister Lake has this blacklist that automatically takes out any offensive words or other language that you wouldn't want your post to have. This definitely provides some peace of mind when it comes to building out your playlists. Afterwards, I'm going to click on Save. And now my Twitter topic is created. Now the next step is to actually add the specific tweets you want inside your playlist. And to do that, you would click on the Moderate Tweets tab. Now, if you didn't want to go through this step, you could automatically auto-approve your tweets if you like with this checkbox. After your unapproved tweets appear, notice that you have the avatar and exactly what they stated. The next step is to approve them. The quickest way of approving tweets is just to select the star. By doing so, you're approving the tweet and you're also allowing it to be saved inside your playlist. Now that they're saved inside the approved tweets column, you'll need to actually save them to a playlist. After creating the playlist, I'm going to press enter, and now all the tweets that I save will automatically go inside this playlist. If you wanted to check it out, go back to Home, click on Twitter Playlists, and select the playlist. And here you will see the 4 tweets that are saved. I could go ahead and just drag these into my playlist, and they will be instantly ready to play on air. Now what's neat is that Bannister Lake actually separates what a topic is and what a playlist is. You could have a lot of topics but only a few playlists, and your playlist could grab however many topics you would like. And once the playlist is generated, you'll have an XML web link that you could use with the actual playlist name. And as you can see, it's simply an XML that includes your avatar URL, account information, and your post. The next step is to integrate this XML with Compix. In the second half of this tutorial, I'm going to take this XML data that I generated and populate it through NewsScroll. NewsScroll is the application that you would use for both Compix Linx Social and the Social Brander. With NewsScroll, you're able to play an upper or lower crawl, up to 2 logos being static or animated. You could have a title, a clock, a data box which could connect to an XML or URL, and finally a ratings logo. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Feed, then Setting, and this window is where you'd actually be connecting your data with NewsScroll. You have different type of feeds that you could do. whether it be RSS, Twitter, Facebook, or SuperTicker. And the window has two sections. The left is the lower crawl section and the right is the upper crawl. It's really straightforward, and the first field is for your feed address. Now that it's pasted, I'm going to press retrieve, and NewsScroll will grab the first XML data below. The XML data includes it being approved, the avatar URL, the account and account name, the ID, and just a bunch of data, including the actual tweet. To the left of this data is where you'd be linking the information with your Compix page or crawl. In this example, you see 4 aliases that the crawl has. It has an account, an avatar, a name, and a text. So you would just simply click on the alias and click on the link that you'd like it to associate to. Now below this is the crawl format. Since we have 4 aliases above, you could change the position of the aliases right here. And after setting everything up, you have a refresh rate of how often you want NewsScroll to look for new information. I'm going to go ahead and select Execute Feed above and press OK. And NewsScroll will grab the information below. To play this information to air, simply click on Lower Crawl and On.